forget the hype around other AIs. Google's Gemini has been quietly outperforming them for a while now. This AI model isn't just about text, it's a jack of all trades. Need an image? Gemini creates it. Want to understand a photo? Gemini analyzes it. Stuck on a handwritten math problem? Gemini not only solves it, but it also points out where you went wrong. And that's not all. Gemini is a creative writing powerhouse, crafting text that's more engaging and imaginative than its competitors. It can also fix your grammar, summarize lengthy articles, and even write code. Need to analyze a massive document? Gemini can handle over 1,200 pages without breaking a sweat. But what really sets Gemini apart is its real-time connection to the internet through Google Search. It's always up to date with the latest information, providing you with relevant links and websites. You can even fact-check the information it gives you, thanks to a handy G icon that shows you the sources. Want to find the perfect YouTube video? Gemini can sift through the entire YouTube library to find exactly what you're looking for. It can even summarize videos and search specific channels. Plus, if you're planning a trip, Gemini can use Google Maps to create an itinerary for you. Gemini is more than just a chatbot. It's a one-stop shop for productivity, creativity, and knowledge. It can upload your work to Google Docs, and there's so much more we haven't even discovered yet. In short, it's the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. Thank you for watching.